Master, have, and.
Tener.
Fun English-Spanish mini podcast. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your brain's new study buddy. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you and I will master, have, in English in.
Tener.
In Spanish, with quick wins you can use right away. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say who has what in Spanish, no overthinking, just speaking. Have.
Tener.
I have.
Yo tengo.
You have, singular.
Tú tienes.
He has.
Él tiene.
She has.
Ella tiene.
It has.
Tiene.
We have.
Tenemos.
You have, plural.
Vosotros tenéis.
They have.
Ellos tienen.
Cheat sheet. Say it out loud. Repeat after me and keep it light, your tongue can do push-ups too. I have.
Yo tengo.
You have.
Tú tienes.
He has.
Él tiene.
She has.
Ella tiene.
It has.
Tiene.
We have.
Tenemos.
You have, plural.
Vosotros tenéis.
They have.
Ellos tienen.
Mini dialogue, the concert plan. Let's jump into a tiny, funny scene. You're going to sound great. You, I have the tickets.
Yo tengo.
Las entradas. Friend, do you have snacks?
Tú tienes.
Bocadillos? You, he has the map.
Él tiene.
El mapa. You, she has the water.
Ella tiene.
El agua. Friend, pointing at the phone, it has 100% battery.
Tiene.
Batería al 100. You, to the group. We have a plan.
Tenemos.
Un plan. You, to your friends in Spain, you have the keys.
Vosotros tenéis.
Las llaves. Narrator. They have questions, but also great vibes.
Ellos tienen.
Preguntas, pero también buen rollo. Drill. Quick swaps. IQ in English, you fire back in Spanish, nice and loud. I have. Say.
Yo tengo.
You have, sing. Say.
Tú tienes.
He has. Say.
Él tiene.
She has. Say.
Ella tiene.
It has. Say.
Tiene.
We have. Say.
Tenemos.
You have, plural. Say.
Vosotros tenéis.
They have. Say.
Ellos tienen.
Culture tip. Real life.
Tener.
Tiny pro tip that saves you blushes in Spanish. In Spanish, age and some feelings use.
Tener.
Not, to be, I have 20 years equals.
Tengo 20 años.
We have cold, equals.
Tenemos frío.
She has hunger, equals.
Ella tiene hambre.
Use these and you'll sound instantly more natural. Pop quiz time. Quick test. Answer out loud, then check yourself. Ch.1, translate, he has. A.
Él tiene.
Q2, translate, we have. A.
Tenemos.
Q3, translate, it has. A.
Tiene.
Q4, translate, they have. A.
Ellos tienen.
Q5, in Spain, you have, plural, friends. A.
Vosotros tenéis.
Challenge round. Now you lead, make the language yours. Say, I have 2 tickets. Sample.
Yo tengo.
Dos entradas. Ask a friend, do you have time? Sample.
Tú tienes.
Tiempo? Say, she has the idea, he has the pen. Sample.
Ella tiene.
La idea.
Él tiene.
El bolígrafo. Say to a group in Spain, you have the best seats. Sample.
Vosotros tenéis.
Los mejores asientos. Finish. We have everything, they have questions. Sample.
Tenemos.
Todo.
Ellos tienen.
Preguntas. Wrap up and next steps. Nice work, your brain just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have, with their Spanish twins.
Tener. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él tiene. Ella tiene. Tiene. Tenemos. Vosotros tenéis. Ellos tienen.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and smart drills. See you next time.